This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we're going to be getting a Bosch dishwasher to be installed a little bit better inside the cabinet. First we take out 2 Phillips head screws from the bottom panel. We're going to just pull the panel out, giving us access to the little feet underneath the dishwasher. What we're going to do next is lift up with our left hand to push the dishwasher up a few inches. Using our right hand, we're going to spin these little feet down as far as they're going to go so they touch all the way down to the ground. And you can even use a standard head screwdriver to help you turn the feet if they're not moving readily. But if you push up with your left hand and then twist them, you should be able to get them to move. This little screw in the middle is pretty cool. If you turn to your right, it's going to raise a little foot in the back that raises the back of the dishwasher up too. And this helps you to get the dishwasher nice and level. So first you're doing the ones in the front, now you're doing this screw in the back. Turning to the right will raise up the back. And you can look to make sure that the dishwasher fits with the cabinet. Then you put in the 2 Phillips head screws here at the top to secure it to the top of the cabinet, and you're all done. So you're just going to screw those in and you have a nice secure dishwasher. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.